Are you looking for a way to make extra cash online? The good news is that you have a lot of options to choose from. You can, for example, join TELUS Digital to find remote job opportunities for yourself. Guys, before we continue, do give this video a thumbs up. Share with someone you love, right? Share with your friends and family. Share it on your status so that they can join you to make little money before December. And if you're joining us for the first time, drop first time in the comments. We'd love to welcome you. Let's get started. But is it legit or just another scam? That's a fair question to ask, and I will answer it right away. Yes, it is a legit job site that offers you remote job opportunities. But is it worth it? That's a question that requires more in-depth knowledge about the site to answer. And this TELUS Digital review will give you a detailed look at what the site has to offer so you can decide if it's worth your time. So let's look at what TELUS Digital is and what it offers, okay? TELUS Digital, formerly known as Telus International AI Company, is a site that offers remote job opportunities you can earn from. It also used to be called Smart Crowd, and it was a microtask site powered by Lionbridge, a company that provided localization and AI training data services. But since its rebranding, it has become a totally different website that specializes in remote job opportunities. Now, to fully understand how well you can earn from it, let's take a closer look at the earning opportunities it offers. Here's how you can earn from it. The earning opportunity is jobs, through jobs. Okay, there's only one way you can earn from it, and that is by working on jobs that it offers. However, it's not that simple as you might think. Before you can apply for jobs, you have to complete your profile. It won't take long to complete your profile, so you should do it after you finish registering. Then after you have completed your profile, you can start applying for jobs. TELUS Digital also has these optional placement evaluations that can increase your chances of landing jobs. Each evaluation can only be taken once, so you need to be careful when answering them. Make sure you're focused when answering these tests because getting a high score is very important. After you've taken the evaluations, all you have to do is apply for the jobs offered. As for the kind of jobs that you will usually be offered, most of them are data annotation and enrichment, online arts rating, and online maps and data analysis jobs. Every job offer will tell you how much you will earn when you complete it. When you send the application, all you have to do is to wait, hear back from them regarding your application. If they're interested in hiring you, you get to proceed to the next step, which is the interview phase. Just like with any job hunting process, you would need to impress your potential employer during interview. So make sure you are prepared enough when you come to interview. If you get hired, you will have to go through the onboarding process and training if needed. Now, regarding the type of job opportunities you will find, it will vary, okay? There are full-time opportunities and there are part-time roles. So it's quite a flexible job board, in my opinion. There are also a decent number of job opportunities available at any given time. That being said, I do have to emphasize that there is no guarantee you will ever be hired when you join TELUS Digital. So if you're looking for a guaranteed way to earn extra cash, then this is not for you. How to get paid? Every job you complete will pay you a certain amount. Usually, they offer an hourly rate, but this will depend on the kind of job you complete. The mode of payment will be stated in the job offer and will mostly involve the use of platforms payment processor, which is Hyperwallet. But I'll take you to the website and show you all of that. Most job opportunities are salary based, so you will get paid on payday or after the end of the project. That means you don't have to reach a threshold to get paid. You will just receive an amount you've earned for the job. So essentially, it doesn't have a payout threshold, which is good because it is less of a hassle. Overall, I would say its payment system is relatively straightforward. I like the fact that it offers a convenient payment method. How much can you make? Okay. The money you can earn from jobs mostly depend on the type of jobs you complete. Easy jobs like data entry jobs will only make you around $1 to $5 per hour, which isn't bad, depending on your location, in my opinion. Just be aware that some of these jobs can be time consuming. As mentioned earlier, some jobs offer full-time roles, so you would be able to earn consistent amount regularly if you get hired. Most job offers have competitive rates, so you'll be less likely to be underpaid. There are also a decent number of job offers available at any given time, but you will be competing with a lot of other members. Since the site says that they have 1 million plus members of the community, even though job offers pay a good amount, it can be quite tough to land a job since you will be competing with a lot of members vying for the same position. This is why I would say its earning potential isn't that great, even though it pays a decent amount, because it will be quite hard to land a job. Plus, most job offers require certain skills, so it's not for everyone. For compatible devices, TELUS Digital doesn't have a mobile app at the moment, and based on the nature of the jobs, doing it on a mobile device isn't advisable. So, it was designed to be used on a laptop or desktop, in my opinion. Apart from answering the evaluations or applying for jobs, I don't see the point of having to log into the site often to earn. The only time I can see you need to use your mobile device is if the job entails testing a mobile app. But apart from that, most of the jobs offered will ask you to work on a computer. That being said, their site is mobile friendly. That means you can read all the content properly without zooming in. This can prove useful if you have spare time and want to take the placement evaluations or apply for jobs and you are not in front of a computer. Then who can join TELUS Digital? TELUS Digital is available globally because I know that most of my subscribers are from Nigeria and other parts of Africa. That means you can sign up as a member regardless of where you live. However, you must keep in mind that some jobs will require you to live in a certain country to be hired. Okay? Registration is free and they don't even mention any age requirement. But in my experience, you will have to be at least 18 years old to join this kind of site. So before I take you to the site, let me tell you a bit of the pros. For the pros, jobs pay quite decently and it's available globally. And for the cons, earning opportunities are quite limited and it requires a certain set of skills to earn. If you have any comments, questions, or experience with TELUS Digital, I would love to hear from you in the comments. So this is the website of TELUS Digital. This is the home page. All right, this is the homepage of TELUS Digital. And the website is telusdigital.com. Okay, click on careers, it takes you here. Find your career at TELUS Digital. So they have customer experience CX, they have customer experience CX, digital solutions, AI community. For customer experience, you transform how customers connect with brands worldwide. You're going to search for roles focused on delivering exceptional customer service and support across multiple channels. Available positions include customer service representative, technical support specialist, customer success managers, contact center supervisors, digital management coordinators, CX program managers, business process improvement specialist. For digital solutions, you're going to build award-winning digital experiences with cutting-edge technology. Explore opportunities with their globally recognized digital consultancy that creates innovative solutions for leading brands. Available positions include software engineers and architects, UX and UI designers and researchers, digital strategy consultants, data engineers and scientists, AI engineers, product managers and delivery leads, digital marketing specialists, platform engineers and AI specialists. Then for AI community, shape the future of artificial intelligence and data science. Discover positions at the cutting edge of AI development and data and innovation. Available positions include AI trainers and data annotators, machine learning specialists, data scientists and analysts, AI project managers, algorithm specialists, data quality specialists, research scientists. You need to search for jobs that are particular to your location, so you can always get 247 support from them. Go and search for telusdigital.com, sign up, start applying for jobs. If you're interested in data entry, usability testing, and more, go and check them out, sign up. Location is not a problem for this one. They accept from worldwide. All you have to do is to search for jobs that are in your own country. So sign up and start applying now. You know our target for this year. We want to make some money up to $100 before December. All right. Let me know your thoughts. If you sign up, drop it in the comments. If you have signed up to TELUS Digital before, drop it in the comment for me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with friends and family, share with someone you love. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.